Are you there? Oh gosh. We're in this trailer and we're locked in here.
We are. Help us. My baby. He's gonna die. Help me.
I'm the baby.
I'm the mother. The poor sweet child.
I'm infected!
No.
Ay,
Hocha! Hay to kalaman ka! Tuko! Action!
Asama! Amakama!
Sushi! What's my sushi? Sushi!
That's not Chinese, that's Japanese.
Sushi! Chinese, same thing!
Where's my teriyaki chicken?
No! I need sushi!
I need orange chicken.
I need McDonald's!
Yummy chicken! Want some yummy chicken? $5.
Dude, I need Spring Creek barbecue! Oh, Spring Creek! And we're about to die because the big old shark fish are gonna eat us to death. One time I was camping in the park and we were walking and I saw a bird. And yeah, I saw a bird. Yeah, I did. And the bird had wings. So I got my dad's shotgun and I shot it and missed. But it flew over my head and then pooped on my head. And then I got my shotgun and for no complete reason, I shot a fat dude in the stomach. And mayonnaise started pouring out. I was saying, no, fat dude. So I got that mayonnaise and I put it on my ham sandwich, and it was the best ham sandwich in the whole wide world. So if you see a fat man over 600 pounds, you shoot him in the stomach and mayonnaise start coming out, and then you put that mayonnaise on your ham sandwich, okay? Okay. See you later.